The Rubik's Cube. The best-selling toy of all time, and classed by some
as impossible.
But I'm going to let you into a little secret. It's not that hard to solve. You don't need to be a genius to solve it.
But you will look like one.
Can anyone solve one?
Yes, I genuinely believe they can. We teach all manner of people this simple format.
Adults from all walks of life.
The elderly in care homes.
Children with learning difficulties.
I even taught my 98-year-old granddad. We've simplified it down to 8 easy steps. 8 short videos backed up by a printable guide.
And it's all free.
So why are we doing this again?
It's all about getting off those screens, bridging the gap between generations, spending quality time learning with others, keeping our minds active and sharper, but most of all,
It's about having fun.
I guarantee you'll love it when you can do one. And you can. I promise. So let's make the impossible possible.
So head over to our website, check out the videos and download our simple guide.